Tupikeni orenge for dinner guys. Kwa wale hamjui orenge, orenge ni nyama ya ng'ombe inatolewa kwa magoti, kichwa ama mguu. I'm sure wengi wetu tumekula orenge here, if I am not wrong. I normally eat this kwa vibanda, but today I decided to bring it home, cause why not? Let me sort my cravings. Aibu. So yeah, I just used onion, nyanya, and roiko to cook this. Sikuweka vitu mengi. Here's some makini, my best friend. She's not going to take orenge, so yeah. Skuma, as y'all can see, very demure, very classy. And my orenge at this point, nearly after kuikaranga, I just added it with its soup, inakuja na supu, and let it to cook. Naona venye iko na top layer, imeiva, yani soup watching, cuddle layer. Let's go back to our fish. Yeah, it's a quick thing, because at this point, tumbo inaguruma and I'm so hungry and no one can wait anymore. Yeah, then ugali. Ugali, cause at this point guys I was so hungry. Singengoja. I didn't even record everything but the food.
I think niyo paper ya weed, ama?